Welcome back to LGS Cars. If you think Toyota always plays it safe, think again. Because today, we're introducing the most exclusive and luxurious SUV ever created by the Japanese automaker, the Toyota Century SUV 2026. Get ready to be stunned by a level of opulence you typically associate with Rolls-Royce or Bentley, a new era of Japanese prestige. The 2026 Century SUV isn't just another luxury vehicle. It's Toyota's boldest statement yet in the world of ultra-premium motoring. Inspired by the legendary Century sedan, this SUV reimagines traditional Japanese craftsmanship in a modern and commanding SUV form. Built exclusively in Japan and in extremely limited numbers, it's not just a car, it's a rolling symbol of power, tradition, and elegance. Bold, elegant, and purpose-built, from the first glance, the Century SUV exudes sophistication. It boasts a grand yet minimalist design, highlighted by a massive grille with intricate chrome detailing, ultra-slim LED headlamps, and a distinctive two-tone body finish that screams exclusive. Its proportions are stately: length, approx. 5,200 mm, width, approx. 1,990 mm. Height, approx. 1,800 mm, wheelbase, over 3,000 mm, with rear doors that open in a suicide door fashion. Passengers are greeted with a limousine-like entrance, a rare touch in the SUV world. Electrified power meets whisper quiet luxury. The 2026 Century SUV is powered by a plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an electric motor and Toyota's advanced EAWD system. This setup ensures silky smooth acceleration, near-silent operation, and reduced emissions, staying true to Toyota's sustainability goals while delivering elite performance. Estimated power output, total system power, approximately 400 horsepower. EV range, up to 70 kilometers 43 miles. Drive mode, E4 electric all-wheel drive. This is not about sportiness, it's about serene power and effortless cruising. Interior, private jet on wheels. Step inside, and you're not in a car, you're in a mobile VIP suite. The rear cabin is clearly the priority. Highlights include captain's chairs with full recline, footrests, and massage functions. Premium wool or leather upholstery, hand-stitched to perfection. Wood and aluminum trim reflecting traditional Japanese craftsmanship. 32-inch entertainment screen, complete with personal controls and JBL surround sound. Power privacy curtains, ambient lighting, and even a built-in fridge. Whether for heads of state or ultra-wealthy collectors, this is a vehicle designed to cocoon its passengers in luxury. Advanced tech and safety, Toyota's latest Toyota Safety Sense suite comes standard, including advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360 camera with parking automation, night vision, driver monitoring system. And with advanced air suspension and noise cancellation technology, the ride is as smooth and quiet as it gets. Exclusivity comes at a price. The Century SUV 2026 is not available for everyone. With a price tag starting at 25 million yuan, around $170,000 USD or 2.7 billion rupiah, and only a few hundred units made per year, Toyota carefully selects its buyers, echoing the same practices of luxury brands like Ferrari or Bugatti. This SUV is primarily sold in Japan only, but interest from collectors around the world, especially in the Middle East and Asia, is growing rapidly. Final verdict. The Toyota Century SUV 2026 isn't trying to compete with mainstream luxury SUVs, it's playing in a league of its own. For those lucky enough to own one, it's not just a mode of transportation, it's a statement of status, taste, and ultimate discretion.